Yep, there's all the kitties. There's Charlie. And there's all the pandas. There's the littlest one, Maple. And Spicy for a baby. There's the 3-year-old Black Panther. So cute. And there's Mittens. And there's Charlie. Hey Charlie. Hey Charlie boy. Hey Charlie. Hey Charlie. Hi Mittens. Hi Mittens. Hi Lucy. Hey kitty's doing? There's me. There's Maple. Despite being a 1-year-old, she's still feisty. Yes, yeah, she's just sitting there. You go, all the pandas are here. Hey, Lucy. Lucy's like, oh, don't touch me. Hey, Charlie. So this is what the cats do when they're outside into the garage. They get dirty. And of course, for some reason, they like being in the garage. Especially in this one, Maple. And Charlie. And Lucy being a shadow. And Mittens too. Yep. That's all the pandas. Hey, Lucy, I want to pet you. Lucy! Lucy! Hey, can I pet you, please? Lucy, girl. Just because I have shoes on doesn't mean we're not going outside. I just want to pet you, okay? Lucy. Lucy. Hey, Lucy. Lucy, hey. Lucy. It's cute, Lucy. Lucy. Oh, Lucy. Hey, Lucy, Lucy's not doing it. And of course, Charlie's just, wants all the attention. Yeah, of course you do. You want all the attention, buddy. Ah, Charlie. Okay. See you, pandas. I'm gonna go back inside now.